finally signed up for the Allure Beauty Box subscription. So today my first box arrived in the mail. It's a $30 a month beauty subscription. You get 6 beauty products and 3 of those products are usually full size. So I wanted to open it with you guys so you can see exactly what came in the box. And this program is ran by Allure magazine. I decided to sign up for it because I could try new products and I can cancel the subscription at any time if I don't like it. There's no contract, so I am happy about that. I'll show you each product and I'll tell you what I think about the selection that they shared, and I'll tell you which product that I'm most excited to try, and of course if I think the beauty subscription is worth the $30 a month. If you're a woman over 50 and 60 who loves beauty, skincare, and you like trying new products and finding new products to make us feel good at any age, you're in the right place. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you don't miss the next one. Okay, so let's get into the box. So it came in my little red and white box, and I was so happy to see it in the mail. And I'm gonna open it up and let you see the products that they sent me on my first box. So the very first products that I saw when I opened it up was the Medic 8 liquid peptides. Peptides seem to be the going thing in 2026. So this looks like a full size to me. It says, after cleansing in the morning and evening, massage the liquid peptide across your face, neck, and décolleté. And let's open it up and just kind of see if doesn't have a smell to it. Let's put a little bit on the hand. Wow, it does make your skin so nice and smooth. So I know that I'm gonna enjoy the liquid peptides, and I'll keep you guys posted on that one. The next product that I have is, I think this one is a trial size. It's called Commodity Milk, and it is a fragrance. That smells nice and soft. Okay, so that is a trial size fragrance. Very nice. I'm gonna enjoy that. This one is called Half Magic. This is an eyeshadow. Cute box. Okay, it's called Half Magic. Let's open it up. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It looks like a nice little silver eyeshadow. Let's see what that looks like on my skin. Okay, it's kind of sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think that's going to be really pretty on. All right, so that's product number 3. Product number 4 is the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. Wow, this looks like a full-size lipstick. Look at that packaging. I love YSL's packaging. Isn't that cute? Oh wow, and it's a beautiful red. I love red lipstick. Okay, so that's a full-size lipstick. That's nice. I can't wait to try that. The next product is a hair clip. I won't be using that because my hair is not long enough, but I will be gifting this. This is a really nice hair clip. And then, okay, we have, this looks like it's going to be mascara. It's called Comeback. So let's check it out. It's black, which is good because that's the color I use. And it looks like a full size as well. And I love the thick brush. So this looks like it's going to be a good mascara. Okay, so I'm excited to try that. And then last but not least, we have Dr. Brid C Barrier Defense Basic Cream for hydration and firmness. So, I don't know, this box looks like a full size to me. Okay, so this is going to be a nice hydrating and firming cream. All right, so I'm excited. So it looks like I got a full-size peptide, full-size lipstick, full-size mascara. I got this clip, which I would consider full-size. And then I got these 3 products that are trial. Now this, it may be a full-size. I don't know. But I'm really excited about trying these products. I think the the best one that I would say that I'm going to enjoy most would be the liquid peptides, because I'm all about the anti-aging. But I don't know. It might be the lipstick. This looks like a beautiful lipstick. But I'll come back and let you guys know which product is my favorite. But yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe and set those notifications for more content.